Saturday morning, everybody, and it's a pretty one. We are getting packed up, ready to go to South Carolina.
And we're also going to a hotel.
Yeah, we're going to be staying in a hotel. We're going to Fall Fest at our friend's church. This is I think our third year in a row being with them at the Fall Fest on Saturday, and then we spend the night, and then we'll be at the church tomorrow morning. We're excited. I think it's been a year since we've seen them. I'm pretty sure the last time we went was last year's Fall Fest, so we're all excited. I'm gonna make some bacon and eggs to go with donuts for breakfast. We got apple cider donuts at the apple orchard that we went to yesterday. Some are powdered, some are not. They are good. Sissy and Manly already ate one this morning. I tried a little bite of one last night. Yes, they are great. Got my coffee.
Put ice in coffee if it gets too hot.
Smart boy. Let me grab an apron real quick. I was gonna give Jonah and Manly haircuts this morning, y'all. We were gonna have early Saturday morning haircuts, but I forgot that something, I can't remember what happened the last time with the haircut and scissors. I don't remember what happened.
Then he threw them away.
Yeah, why did he throw them away? I can't remember what happened to them. Anyway, and I was like, it's okay, I'll get me some new scissors because I was needing some new ones anyway. But I forgot all about it until I was getting ready to cut their hair. I do have clippers, but I like to do the tops of their hair with scissors. So haircuts are gonna have to wait unless we find a barber shop we can stop at on the way. Can this go in the toolbox?
Yeah.
I missed the sign, y'all, but we have now crossed over into South Carolina. You ever stayed at one of these places before, Manny?
No.
I didn't know if maybe on your travels you might have.
He's a businessman.
Yeah.
I guess
Daddy probably has to have the key. They might have a little fire going there later. Is that a grill? Sissy, they do have guest laundry. Okay, so I think I figured out what the stay APT means. I think APT stands for apartment. Maybe, could totally still be wrong on that. Like I said, I've never seen these before, but I read one of their little flyer things. Is there one in here? And it said they try to make it more like an apartment than a hotel room, and it really is. It feels like an apartment. Tyler gave me a Skittle. So here's how it is when you first come in. Little living room area. Our bag just fell over. TV here, and then the little kitchen spot with the counter. You have a full oven, stovetop, microwave, sink, and refrigerator. I was looking to see if they had pans. They have a few things. Got a few plates and coffee mugs, glasses and bowls. Is there a coffee? Oh yeah, coffee maker right here. Cutting board, and then the dishcloth to wash dishes. Some forks and spoons and stuff in there. Oh, pot and a pan back there. Toaster. What's in there, Sissy? Just trash can?
Yeah.
So this is nice, and the couch right there pulls out as a sofa bed. So
I can sleep there.
yeah, Jonah's
And
already
have
called
on
that.
TV.
Yes, he called that for his own TV. So then you come over here. The window's open. We opened one down here. This is the bathroom. Someone's occupying that at the moment. Titus and Tyler are over here. He found the vending machines. Got the Skittles. Oh, this is a closet over here. So here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
Nice shower.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower in this.
You're gonna take a shower in this?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is nice. Sissy's got a nice place to color. It's really, really roomy.
Oh, I hear you, folks.
There's nothing left they won't want.
I hear you, boy.
I can do that easy. I played the wheel ball game.
You did?
Where? In the mountains?
Very good.
Come on up, we're gonna have a bubblegum contest.
Doing good, boy. Lord's been good to us.
Amen to that. Yes, sir.
Man, he got a hand.
He got a good grip, don't he? That's
He
good.
got a good grip. He got, there you go.
Jonah, you want to do the bubble? You're 12. It's for the 12.
I need some challenge here. Come on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Steal this for me.
Yeah.
That brother of yours, he's hiding on me.
He is. He's hiding, yeah.
Oh, Sissy, you got some cotton candy.
All right, y'all, we left the Fall Fest. We're coming over here to get something eaten out Outback, and it looks like there's going to be a storm.
Better run.
We decided to sit outside right here, y'all. It's the best place, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And we're also going to a motel.
Yes, we are. He loves that.
Yeah, I love going to the motel.
You'd rather live in a motel than our house, probably. See?
We got the bloomin' shrimp.
What I want for Christmas is a four-wheeler.
Well, I appreciate you telling me. I'm gonna try this for you, y'all. Good.
It's a blue, what kind of animal is that?
A chihuahua.
That's a koala.
Oh.
We're in the Walmart market now. This isn't a Walmart. It's just the grocery store part of Walmart. We're gonna make some peanut butter cookies. Like, it's gonna be kind of like the peanut butter blossom cookies. Titus also wanted Walmart watermelon, so we're coming over here now to see if they have watermelon. Okay, let's see. We need a pan. Let's see, Cece. I think this one.
Huh?
This is good right here.
Welcome to our new kitchen for tonight.
We're gonna make peanut butter blossoms, but not the same way you've seen them made before.
No, we're gonna blossom these things in a different way.
We're gonna make a big, huge blossom, and then we're gonna cut it into squares. The plan was to get the rolled peanut butter cookie dough, but this Walmart didn't have it. So we're using these.
And we're gonna mash them all together.
Yeah, well, I think, you know what, Daddy? I think if we just put them in this pan, they'll bake up together like a big old, you know what I'm saying? Like a big old, you know what I mean? Like they'll,
That's what we're gonna do, everybody.
Yeah.
Fallon just came up with a good idea.
oh yeah, we don't even have to smush them. I
We
think
don't
they'll
have to
just,
smush them, they'll all smush together.
yeah. That's what they'll want to do when they get in the oven. So we're just, here you go, do what you did, Daddy, what you did, and then it goes straight.
It's almost like a,
Yeah, okay.
are we sure they're gonna come together like that?
Yeah, I think they will.
See this right here,
We
y'all?
just put them all on this pan like this. And when they go in the oven and bake, it's gonna turn into a big peanut butter pillow cookie.
See, wouldn't you like to sleep on that? Everybody, the oven is now ready.
The oven
We're
is ready.
going to
Do
now
you
place
think
it
we
in
need
the
to press
oven.
them down a little?
Let's press.
That's fine.
Yes, there is something happening there, Mama.
Are they pressing a little?
Yes.
We're doing a little press.
We're doing a little press here. Look at that.
Now we're ready. Listen.
Popping a little popcorn in here.
Can't even hear that microwave.
I wouldn't have that thing. I like one like ours that you can hear.
Right, you
The
can hear when
neighbors
it's
know when
going.
we pop it.
Yeah, it's almost like you don't even know if it's working since it's not making the
Yeah,
rattle noise that ours makes.
little popcorn action going on here. That gumbo's good.
Yeah. What could be bad?
Nothing bad about that.